By far, we have the highest quality elevator, residential elevator on the market today.
It's a good quality product and it's something to be proud of.
Quality, I'll give it a good 99.95.
We put probably a little bit more steel, a little bit more welds, a little bit more time in the production of our elevator, but at the end of the day, we want the best product.
We build the best elevators, residential elevators, available. And what you get from us is something that you can't get from everybody else.
You are demanding quality from your employees, you're demanding quality from your vendors, you're demanding quality from yourself. It's going to show in the end product.
Yeah, it's a real good product. One of the best, I think.
The care that goes into each individual component is important to us as a company, and you don't get that from somebody that you just hire off the street and they're a temporary worker or something to that effect. Somebody who is proud of what they've done, what they've produced, and has quality in the back of their head is going to produce a better product for you.
He's real family-oriented, and they're real good to the employees.
I'm proud to keep the people employed in America.
By far, it is the best product on the market. Absolutely best product on the market. There's no comparison. There really is no comparison.